Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we explore the products that make a difference in your everyday life. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Amazon Basics 6-Cup Countertop Blender, a blender that promises a powerful motor, a large 50-ounce capacity, and some useful features, all while being compact enough to fit nicely on your countertop. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. At its core, the Amazon Basics 6-Cup Blender boasts a 700-watt peak motor with 500 watts rated power, making it a solid choice for crushing ice, creating smoothies, and preparing frozen drinks. It also has a 50-ounce glass jar, which makes it ideal for larger batches. Whether you're blending smoothies for the whole family or prepping a batch of salsa, this blender gives you plenty of space to work with. The blender offers 6 pre-programmed settings, including pulse, ice crush, and options for blending and pureeing. These settings allow you to quickly adjust for a variety of tasks, from smoothies to milkshakes to sauces. This level of control is a real plus, especially for someone who values versatility in the kitchen. The stainless steel Sabre blades are designed to handle ice with ease, ensuring that everything from frozen fruits to chunks of ice is pulverized smoothly. Now, when it comes to real-world usage, I've spent a good amount of time testing the blender in different scenarios. Setting up the unit is straightforward, and it doesn't take up too much space on the countertop, despite the relatively large glass jar. The glass container feels solid and durable, but it's worth noting that it's heavier compared to plastic jars, which may be a downside for some users, especially when dealing with larger batches. When it came to performance, the blender did a great job with smoothies. The 700-watt peak motor makes quick work of frozen fruit and ice, producing a smooth texture without any chunks. I tested it with both soft fruits like bananas and tougher ingredients like frozen berries and spinach, and the results were consistently good. The ice crush function was especially impressive, quickly turning frozen cubes into snow-like ice. However, I did notice that for thicker blends, like nut butters or very dense smoothies, it struggled a bit. The motor is powerful, but it might not have the same level of finesse as some high-end blenders. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the 700-watt motor gives this blender a lot of power, making it perfect for tasks like crushing ice or blending frozen drinks. The 50-ounce glass jar is another win, offering a generous capacity for larger servings. The stainless steel blades are durable, and the 6 pre-programmed settings provide versatility and convenience, letting you handle a range of tasks with ease. Plus, it's compact enough to fit in most kitchens without taking up too much space. But, like any product, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One downside is the blender's performance with thicker mixtures. For super dense blends, you might find it struggles a bit to process everything smoothly. The glass jar, while sturdy, is heavier than plastic alternatives, and if you're someone who likes to easily move the jar from counter to sink, that could be a bit of a hassle. Additionally, the design, while functional, isn't the most stylish or flashy. It's very much a get-the-job-done kind of look, which some users may find uninspiring. When it comes to value for money, the Amazon Basics blender is pretty solid. At its price point, it offers good performance, a large capacity, and a range of useful features that are perfect for everyday use. Compared to other blenders in the same range, it holds up well, especially with its 700-watt motor. If you're looking for something that can handle a variety of tasks without breaking the bank, this one does the job. That said, if you're someone who needs a high-end blender with top-tier performance, especially for tasks like making nut butters or smoothies with harder ingredients, there are other options out there that might serve you better. However, if your goal is straightforward blending, smoothies, milkshakes, and ice crushing, the Amazon Basics blender is hard to beat at this price. In terms of comparisons, there are a few competitors in this space that come close, but they either offer fewer features or cost more. For example, a brand like Hamilton Beach offers blenders in a similar range, but you may not get the same motor power or durability in the build. The Ninja blenders, while popular, tend to be priced higher for comparable features. If you're looking for a balance of price, power, and performance, the Amazon Basics blender offers solid value for your dollar. The build quality is, as expected, reliable for a blender in this category. The motor feels strong, and the construction is sturdy. I haven't encountered any issues with durability in my testing so far, but since it's a product from Amazon Basics, which is known for offering functional, no-frills products, it's safe to assume it should hold up over time, though it may not match the lifespan of higher-end brands that offer extended warranties or more premium materials. As for customer support, I didn't personally need to interact with Amazon Basics for this review, but knowing their reputation for customer service, it's safe to say they would provide adequate assistance should any issues arise. Their products are backed by Amazon's own return and support policies, which is always a plus. Finally, the verdict. If you're in the market for a solid, no-frills blender that can handle everyday tasks like smoothies, milkshakes, and ice crushing, the Amazon Basics 6-cup blender is a strong contender. It offers great value for the price, with a powerful motor, large capacity, and durable blades. It may not be the best choice for those looking for high-end performance, but for most casual users, it delivers exactly what you need. It's a simple, effective tool for your kitchen that won't break the bank. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews. If you've already tried this blender, or if you've got any questions, drop a comment below. The link to get the Amazon Basics 6-cup blender is in the comments box, so check that out if you're ready to grab one. Until next time, take care and keep blending those smoothies. Here at Reviewsinside TV, we've always got the scoop on what's worth your time.